for you, Grandma.
Alright, so we've got our little tube sock. Literally, it's a sock that I turned into a tube. And we're just going to go ahead and wrap this over the top of the camera case. So essentially, I can run it without the sock and then fairly easily throw the sock around it later while I'm riding. So let me show you my new camera and how I cut out the wind noise. Yes, it's a GoPro. Picture quality on these is bloody amazing, but the wind noise, just like every other camera, as you heard, was pretty chronic. Now, I'd actually tried this test with my older camera, had brilliant results. I thought, why wouldn't it work just as well with a GoPro? So, it's still basically the same principle. So that's just an old kid's sock. All I've done, as you can see, is cut the toe off. The important thing is to leave the elastic on. Otherwise, you know, that's not gonna do you any favors. Now, of course, the only drawback to this is that, you know, the sock could end up covering your lens. But it's free, it works stupidly well, and it's literally all you need to do to cut out the wind noise. The microphones are usually either on the sides or on the top. And all that does is breaks up the wind blowing past the microphone and lets all the other sounds in. It's not pretty, it looks really dicky, but it works. It also looks like a little old lady. Kiss for your grandma.